Welcome to yet another edition of Buzzing Around at Bazaria. Today we are joined by the lovely and elegant Ritu Singh Gupta.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming. It's a pleasure to have you over.
Same here.
So, ma'am, what do you do?
I work as a secretary in a company, but by passion, I'm a writer, singer, and an artist.
Okay.
I paint different
Okay.
kind of paintings I do.
Wow.
And this is the reason I'm here, because this is so colorful.
So, may I just add that not only the lovely and elegant, but the most artistic and talented Ritu Singh Gupta. So, ma'am, how long has the association been with Bazaria?
2.5 years. I was
Okay.
introduced by a very wonderful friend of mine, and I was attracted so much to this place. So she said, "Why don't you model?"
Okay.
And I did modeling for saris, and
Okay.
it was a beautiful experience for consecutive 3-4 Sundays. I was here, and it was like a family, and the people are so nice, and every corner, every place is so colorful. And being an artist, I like this place so much. It's so attractive.
Right. So, since you're an artist, how do these colors appeal to you? I mean, these particular colors in Bazaria, the energies that they give you, can you just talk a bit about that?
Very positive, very positive. I really love this place because colors are my passion, and being an artist, I really love each and every corner because it is so beautiful. Everything, every stuff is so colorful, and right from the dresses, you see the accessories, and people who wear them will be looking so beautiful.
Right, right.
And this is how I look at it.
So, ma'am, what was your first impression when you walked into Bazaria?
As I said, this is a wonderful place for me to come again and again. And every time I come here, every time I feel that something new which I was looking for, it is here around somewhere. So this brings me so much closer to this place and closer to every person here. And I feel very positive when I come here. The things, the clothes, they attract me. The accessories, they attract me. The jewelries, each and everything you see, the lamps. Means if I see a house for myself, I think everything fits into that place, and in my heart too.
And you mentioned about every corner looking so good. So, is there any particular favorite corner of yours at Bazaria?
My favorite corner, that is very difficult to answer because every corner is so beautiful. My favorite can be the clothes, can be the chappals, can be any accessories, can be the jewelries, can be the lamps. So I cannot say. I can say every corner is so beautifully made. So that's not a particular answer for me.
How do you see Bazaria as a confluence of tradition blended with modernity?
Yeah, that is a very good question because I can see modern clothes here, because sometimes you see modern clothes, they look very professional, but here when you see modern clothes, they are so traditional, so colorful. You can wear it anywhere. You can even wear it for any parties, and the colors make it so beautiful. So modernity here blends a lot with traditional, and Western and Indian, you can say both are found in this place. Yeah.
All right. And how has your journey been with Bazaria in all these years?
Yeah, I would like to share about a wonderful experience I had during the photo shoot. And this photo shoot has given me a lot of confidence in myself, and Pooja, who's the photographer, she has been putting it so well for me, and I didn't know I look so beautiful, and Bazaria has made me so beautiful.
Indeed. So
this is a wonderful experience I had. Yes.
Ma'am, how would you compare the prices at Bazaria in retrospect to other stores around?
No, according to the staffs they have, I don't think so. It's a normal price, and anybody can afford it. And it is so good. The quality is so good. It's so colorful. I don't think so. The prices can matter anymore.
And would you like to say something to our viewers watching this today?
Yeah, I would like to share that you should come and see how wonderful this place is. It's like a fairy tale. You come here, you get each and everything what you want for your house, for yourself, you know, your kids, for your husband, for yourself, especially you know, if you want to go somewhere and you want to you know, collect something, and if you want to have different stuffs for your wardrobe, it's a wonderful, you know, place. You must, everybody should come and visit once or twice or any time. I know once, if anybody comes, that person will come 100 times to this place.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming and spending your valuable time with us today.
Thanks to you. It was really pleasure coming here and talking to you.
Same here,
And
likewise.
have a nice day. Thank you.
You too.
So
Please
much.
have a great time at our store.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, was Mrs. Ritu Sen Gupta, a regular at Bazaria, and she also, like many others, would wish that you come over and spend your valuable time at our store. But until then, don't forget to like our Facebook page, our Twitter handle, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is your host Rajeshwar signing off. Until then, keep buzzing.